this is not actually my recipe. I learned this recipe from one of my bhabhi. Ajita bhabhi, if you're watching this, I love you for this recipe. Thank you so much for sharing it with me. So this quick and easy no sauce pasta is the best recipe of pasta I have made so far. Like I have came across so far. And I have made this recipe so many times and it never gets boring. This is the best pasta recipe. I have tried so many recipes so far for pastas, but nothing comes close to this. This is the best. You guys have to try it. So without much further ado, let's get started.
2 cups of diced tomato, 2 cups diced onion, 7 to 8 medium-sized garlic, 2 cups of pasta of your choice. You can get creative and use any type of pasta in this. 1 tablespoon chili powder, salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon haldi, 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon black pepper powder, half a cup of shredded cheese. I have taken 1 liter of water and a tablespoon of oil and salt to taste to boil the pastas. If you're using a mix of pasta types, make sure you cook them separately because every pasta will require different time to cook. Okay, now we'll put this to boil. Now we'll let our water boil. When it comes to a boiling point, that's when we add our pasta, one after another. By the time I'll make my gravy, I'll add my garlic with onion, so we'll make a good paste. Now take 2 tablespoon oil in a pot and put it on medium flame. When oil gets a bit warm, we add our onion and garlic puree and saute it till there is no more raw aroma of onion and garlic. So now we add in our tomato puree and again give it a good mix. Boil it for a while. All our spices and mix well and let it boil for a while till our mixture thickens. puree is ready. So now we add in our pasta and again give it a good mix. Be gentle with this one so we don't break the pastas. Heat it for a while and then cover it with a lid. Before serving, add most of shredded cheese and mix it well. Save some for garnishing. If your pasta has cooled down, you can turn on the flame and heat it for a couple of minutes. So all the cheese melts well and coats every pasta. That's it, our pasta is ready to be served.
So as you guys saw, this recipe is very simple, no fancy ingredients, just a regular staples from our pantry. And yet the dish manages to hit all the right taste buds. Now before we leave, me and my brother work really hard on every single video. So it's okay if you do not hit the like button, but do not forget to share this video and future videos with your friends and family so that we can reach more and more people. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos as well. See you next week. Bye-bye and take care.